Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Gadgets.
We are going to unbox the brand new DT3 smartwatch. In today's video we will see what we have in the box, design, what materials is made of, what option we have in the software. We will run some tests and see if this watch is worth to buy. In the next video we'll see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which app does it use, and what option do we have in these apps. So stay tuned for that. So let's begin here immediately. The new DT3. It comes with metal and silicone strap you can choose and leather strap to make the body high in hardness and scratch resistance, and the strap is durable and comfortable. As you can see in the box we have the straps, wireless charging cable, and user manual. It has 45 mm in diameter, 11.5 mm in thickness while the strap is 22 mm. Watch body is made by zinc alloy. It has 1.36-inch HD large screen 326 ppi and 32-bit color. Retina large screen covered by 3D glass. Battery life 10 to 15 days standby and 3 to 5 days with normal use, with 280 mAh power battery which recharges in about 3 hours. Also this watch is IP68 waterproof, so it will resist the water while you are washing the hands or doing something else. It has plenty of options like Bluetooth call, make / receive calls, app notification push, changing watch faces, more than 100 dynamic watch face, health caring like heart rate, ECG, sleep monitoring, multi-sport mode, music and camera control, weather etc. that allows you to view your levels 24 hours a day. Now let us see the watch option. If you sweep down you have date, battery percent, info setting, you can change brightness level, and we have QR code button, you can set your QR code. On the right we have here date for daily activity, heart rate, ECG monitoring, weather report and music control, or you can add some other widget. When you connect with phone you can remote music player from watch. We will try it later. On the left we have some shortcuts. When you sweep up will show main menu. It is telephone, you can call by number, or by contact list which you can add from applications or form call records. We have massages. We can see and read all app notification that we have received in our phone. Next we have heart rate, ECG, music control, sleep daily report, stopwatch, weather, my QR code. You can add your QR code from application. Also here we have calculator, find phone, meteorological information, breathing test, message, lady assistant. Main style where you can change menu style. Here we have some option. And in the end we have setting menu. Here we have some option like language watch, dials watch. Here you can change watch face. As you can see we have plenty of them that we have downloaded before. Let's choose this one and press on it, and you will have a brand new face in your watch. Also you can change watch faces by scrolling button, or if you press and hold on watch screen for 5 seconds. Other option are screen time on, vibration level, password. Here you can set password for your watch. Next we have factory reset. If you have any problem to connect or something else we recommend to reset your watch. And in the end we have Bluetooth phone. You can turn on or off Bluetooth watch. On this button we can run sport mode. Here we have running, walking, cycling, climbing, badminton, basketball, football. These are some of the sport that this watch supporters. You can tracking your progress and set goals specific to you. Now we will try heart rate and ECG test and see the result. As you can see is measuring, and we have the first results, very fast result, and we have some statistic in the watch. which is a very good thing. These data will be saved, and we can see in the app for us later to check all what we did from the session, and also we have the whole day heart rate which we can check out at the end of the day. We can see in daily and weekly weather forecast. Also you can control remotely music player on your phone when you are connected via Bluetooth. Also when you receive any notification or phone call, you will receive notification and watch. You will also be able to receive calls, read messages, or any notification you will receive on your phone. In the next video we'll see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which app does it use, and what option do we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see the next video with another smart device.